The TP-Link Archer C64 is a dual-band Wi-Fi router with great data transfer speed up to 867 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band and 400 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band, making it perfect for video streaming and online gaming. It comes with 4 high-performance external antennas for providing reliable wireless connections to all your devices while boosting widespread coverage throughout your home, and the built-in Ethernet ports supply high-speed connection to your wired devices. Archer C64 comes with beamforming technology that detects devices and concentrates wireless signal strength towards them to ensure stronger connections. It also comes with MU-MIMO technology that allows for fast and efficient performance, serves multiple devices at once, reducing wait time, increasing Wi-Fi speed for every device, and making each stream more efficient. The latest Wi-Fi security protocol, WPA3, makes it more secure encryption in Wi-Fi password safety and enhanced protection against brute force attacks. Archer C64 has a very minimalistic design. On the back panel we have power port, 1 gigabit WAN port, and 4 gigabit LAN ports, and also WPS and reset button. On the front here are 5 LED indicators. Power LED, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz wireless band LED, LAN and internet connection LED. When installing these routers, you should play around with the antennas to point them in directions where you typically would use the Wi-Fi, and that would give you better Wi-Fi signals just by moving these around. In the box you also get an Ethernet cable Cat5e and a power adapter.